you be my Valentine?
Hell no, to the no.
What it is, what's up, it's your girl. I feel like I look like bald. Like I look like a baldy. But yeah, with Valentine's Day coming up, girl, you know I got you. This is the Steph So Rich Stephanie Andrea gift guide for Valentine's Day. You already know what it is. So make it real easy for y'all. One-stop shop for your little boo thing, your little side piece, or you know, your little baby mamas, your wifey, your girlfriend, you know, even for your boyfriend, your mans, your side mans, your baby daddy, like all that stuff. You know I got you. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly where to go to cop they gift that they gonna love for sure. Keep on watching. What we about to do, I'm gonna do a little unboxing for y'all. This company, Aporro Jewelry, they have so much fly shit, but they reached out to me and they was like, ayo, copy yourself something, we gonna ice you out, sis. New Patek on my wrist. No, I'm just kidding. Basically, here's my package. I got it right here, and we're about to open this baby up. And I wanted to make this video for y'all. One, to ice yourselves out, all my single ladies out there. I know me, myself, for Valentine's Day, I always cop myself something, because on God, I have never in my life had a Valentine. Literally, since like high school. And I was in a whole relationship, but this man, we had to get in a fight right before Valentine's Day, so I was like, of course. So never in my life have I had a Valentine, so I kind of made like this little tradition that I always spoil myself on Valentine's Day, and I go out usually with like my friends or my sister or like whoever honestly in my life who's single. I'm like, yo, let's go out, let's take each other on a date, so at least, you know, we have a reason to like get dressed up and get our nails done and like feel good about ourselves, you know. So it's always fun. Just saying, like for Valentine's Day, you don't need a boo to have fun. Alright, so straight out the package, it just comes in like a little cardboard box. So I'm just going to snap the tape off with my little baby scissors. Safety first, y'all. Look, they match my nails. That's so cute. When we open this baby up, this is what we got going on. Alright, we have a box within a box. And we have this cutie little bag. Aww. This is so perfect. Like if you deadass do give this as a gift, like you could just put it in this little baggie and be like, here you go. And be like, oh my god, thank you so much. Please have my children. Let's slip it out. Boom. It has the logo on it once again. Alright, let's open it together. Okay, logo a couple thousand more times. And it has their little like business card up in there and like a little booklet. So what I ordered was a Cuban link bracelet because I didn't want nothing too flashy. You know, I'm not really like a jewelry wearer. Like I don't wear shit like that. Like I always wear literally just my name chain and then hoops. Literally that's it all the time. But you know, we gotta try something different. We gotta, you know, flex on our exes this year for Valentine's Day. Alright, so it's a little pouchy like this. Really cute. And then, yo, this shit under lock and key. How many packages have I gone through? Okay, so we're gonna open this little baggie. Guess what? It's in another baggie. So this is the packaging it comes in. I did get white gold 7-inch Cuban link bracelet, because I have like super baby wrists, so hopefully it fits. I asked them literally what's the smallest size they can make it, and they're like 7-inch. I'm like, let me get that. Honestly, it was packaged very well. It's like wrapped all the way down to the bone basically. It's in this little plastic. Ooh, shit icy. Can we just pretend my teeth are this white? Let's open this baby up. Where's my safety scissors? Oh, right here. Almost had to use real scissors. Let's see how we can open this up. Okay, finally got the plastic off. And this is what it's looking like, y'all. Ooh. Alright, let's get into these details, y'all. So on the, it has like a little letter A. I'll do a better close-up. But it has an A for the brand, which is hella cute. And then it has this type of like clasp thing. Ooh, new freezer. Oh, Hold on, let me roll up my sleeve. Alright, so it is type big on me, as y'all can see. Unfortunately, this is the smallest size they could send me, but it still looks cute, like kind of like dangly like that. I'm still with the shits, still very icy. Ignore my hairy arms. I don't want to hear the comments. I am Mexican partially, so mind your business. So cute, honestly. I feel like that bitch. When Young Thug said my heart's so cold I need an ice box, I felt that. Like, I feel like really the iciest bitch right now. I just wish it was like the tiniest bit smaller, because it does like wobble a lot. So like if I'm wearing like long sleeves, it's just gonna like get hidden in the long sleeve, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good. So in addition to the Cuban bracelets that they have a men's and women's section, and the men's, honestly, I recommend checking there first, even if it is for your girl or whatever the special person in your life is, because they have the most fire like pendants and necklaces and chains, and they have chokers. There was this one choker I wanted so bad. I'm probably honestly gonna cop it. But yeah, like I was saying, check the guys section first for like all the pendants and stuff that they have. Like they have like really fire ones. I'll try to like insert a clip of me going down their site right here, because they have like an ice cream chain, and y'all know I love the brand ice cream, and they have like literally like the Takashi 69, like a replica chain. If you fuck with that, like they literally just have so much to choose from, and it's so fire. Like all of them, I feel like they have like a lot of original ideas too. Like they have like yellow gold, and you could choose how many carats you want, and the type of like gems you want in them. I honestly don't know how all that shit works, but I know it could get real expensive. So you could choose, honestly, you could choose how much you love your boo and how much you want to spend on them. Alright y'all, so as you may know, this was a little sponsored video. Shout out to Aporro Jewelry for reaching out to your girl, getting your girl icy. I'm super happy, so I think Aporro is gonna be my Valentine for this year. Yeah guys, I hope y'all have a great Valentine's Day. I hope y'all little boos love their presents that you got for them. I love Valentine's Day. I love love. It makes me super happy. I love seeing other people in love. Like, I'm never salty. Valentine's Day is honestly one of my favorite holidays of the year. I want to do another Valentine's Day video, so leave suggestions down below of what y'all think, or what videos y'all would like to see with a Valentine's Day theme, either like makeup or outfit or like dick appointment or, you know, date night ready something. I don't know, let me know down below. Yeah, I feel like y'all always have the best ideas, like better than me, to be honest. So appreciate y'all, and thank you so much for watching this video. Again, shout out to Aporro Jewelry. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, I be where the bosses be. Judging from my vibe, you can feel it in my energy. Stacking paper steadily so I can live in luxury. Looking in the mirror, I thank God for what I'm about to be. You beefing with my enemy, does not make you a friend of me. Girl, so weird, stay clear, I'm living drama free. Never